He's trying to eat my feet. Bill, that's my boots. And no nipping on legs. Thank you very much. Hello, beautiful girl. Oh dear. What's up, fatty boy? Oh, please, people. You do not need to feel jealous about life. Are you grumpy, Bella? Did you want to come and hug your mummy, didn't you? And he's in your way. And he's been a mean boy. And he's trying to get my shoe. Because he just cannot resist. Oh, and we're back to having little wars again. You're a mean horse. Oh, that's Brumby's for you. You're a bossy boy. Is it because you're a ginger ninja? Yes. Don't you bite my knee. Oh dear. Have you got an itch? Don't be mean to her. Hello, my beautiful girl. Mummy's baby. And you're just a bad boy. Get the flies. Let's be nice about life, please, people. Honestly. This is what happens when people can't share their mother. Yes, we know. You just think you've got to win everything. And now she's going to go off and sulk.